Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make Skyline Ramen Noodle Chili. Alright, now Skyline Ramen Noodle is something that they make in Cincinnati of Ohio. Very great, very good, and I'm going to show you how to make Skyline Ramen Noodles. First of all, you're going to need ramen noodles. Right here I have beef flavor. Then I have 2 slices of all-American cheese. And then I have some Hormel chili with beans, okay? All right, so first of all, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up the pack of ramen noodles. And then I am going to place the ramen noodles inside of the bowl, right? Then I'm going to take the package, pull out the package, and pour the beef into the bowl, and then add some water to there, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 3.5 minutes, okay? All right, after 3.5 minutes, I'm going to take the ramen noodles out, and then I am going to drain the noodles. All right, after I've drained the noodle, I'm going to take the ramen noodles. I'm going to put 1 slice of cheese on top of the ramen noodles. Just like that. And then I'm going to take some chili and take 3 to 4 tablespoons of chili and put it just on top, just like that. All right. And then to top it off, let me zoom in right here so you can see. And to top it off, I'm going to put 1 more slice of all-American cheese on top of that. And then I'm going to place it in the microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds. All right, after 1 minute and 15 seconds, 30 seconds, I'm going to take the ramen noodles out. And there you have it. And I'm just going to stir this around. Get a little bit closer so you can see it. Just stir it up, just like that. Cincinnati Skyline Ramen Noodles. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Thanks a lot for watching.